The past perfect. Today, we will learn how to order events in the past using the past perfect. We will also review the past simple and compare this to the past perfect tense. What happened before the exciting moment that you took a big risk, or met your best friend, or had a crazy experience? I had just sat down on the train when... The past perfect helps us talk about the earlier past. It helps us provide more details and information when we are talking or telling a story. When we are discussing the past, we often need to talk about something that happened earlier in the past. To do so, we use the past perfect tense. Danielle Steele had written several short stories before her novel was published. The past simple is formed by adding ed to a regular verb or using the simple past form of an irregular verb. The past simple is used to talk about actions in the past that are now over. It can be used to talk about something that happened just once, many times, or regularly in the past. For example, I visited Aruba in 2004. I walked to school every day when I was a child. I was on a conversation club when I was a student at a university. The past perfect is built with had and the past participle of the main verb. For example, I had slept poorly, you had spoken to my mother, he had brought flowers, we had asked for help, they had taken the train. Past perfect is used to discuss the earlier past. It signals that one event happened before another. Sometimes you can use a time cue, such as yesterday, earlier, last year, or an exact time, but you do not need to. The past simple and the past perfect work together well. Why? Because the past perfect tells us about the order of events. The past perfect describes the event that happened first. For example, Erin had seen her new neighbors moving in at the weekend, so on Monday she went over to say hello. Here you have some more examples. I had slept badly, so I was quite tired. Her train arrived at 10:45, but mine had arrived an hour earlier. I had asked for that report last week. They had taken dance lessons last year and were the best dancers at the wedding. Remember, the past perfect is used to talk about the earlier past in relation to another event. We use it to order narratives and indicate what happened first. We do not use it just to talk about things that happened long ago. For example, some dinosaurs ate leaves and grass. It is just a fact about something in the past that is over. The dinosaurs had eaten lots of grass and felt very full. Here, the order of events is important. They were full because of something that happened earlier. Using the past perfect will help you answer questions like, how long did you study before you got your degree? You often use the words for plus a specific time to make this clear. We can use the past perfect to talk about how long something had continued up to a certain moment in the past. The past perfect can tell us how long something happened before reaching another point in time. The past perfect is often used in combination with verbs related to thinking and saying. As a result, you may see and use the past perfect in stories and narratives. For example, I said I had never ridden a horse before. She thought that she had missed her chance. He wondered where he had put his lucky socks. The past perfect is used to express and realize hopes and wishes about the past. You may use the third conditional, which is used to describe impossible things. In this case, we use it to talk about things that did not happen or things we wish had happened in the past. For example, if I'd had more time, I would have gone to the museum. If I had gone to bed earlier, I would have been more energetic today. If you'd asked me for directions, we would have got there sooner. If he had packed his hiking boots, we would have gone hiking. You can also discuss and realize hopes or wishes with phrases like I wish or if only. For example, I wish I had danced more at the party. The party is over, as is the chance to dance, but the speaker wishes it was not. This allows you to simply express and realize wishes without linking them to an if clause. You can use the past perfect to also discuss wishes, hopes, or plans from the past that did not happen. I had planned to write, but I did not have any stamps. This links a wish, hope, or plan in the earlier past, writing a nice letter, with another event in the past that prevented it, no stamps. These are the references. Thank you.